Alright, installing the new Wi-Fi controller on the 850G. So far, real easy. There's just two screws that hold this cover on. They're on the side here. There you go, that one and that one. And then you get access to the underside to get to all the wiring. And once you get under here, you just gotta undo this, and then that'll give you access to unplug everything. And then we'll start getting the controller out. Alright, to get these guys unplugged, there's just two little tabs. You got to push in one on either side, and they just pull apart. And this little guy, which is actually your temperature probe, it's just got one little thing that you push in here. That little guy right there, and then it just pulls apart. Alright, here we have it out. You can see there's just these little tabs you got to push in. There's three on the bottom side, and then three on the top side, and then it just kind of pops out. I put a little pressure, hit the first two, then move to the next one, hit those, and then move to the final one, hit those. And here's our new guy. All the wires are color coded, so it should be pretty easy. Let's put it all back together. So we'll do that now. So pretty easy here. They've got everything labeled for you. The power cord, black white goes to black white, white white goes to purple white, red red goes to red white, yellow yellow, yellow white, and lastly black goes to white. That's the grill probe. That one's pretty easy. So let's get it wired up. Alright, everything's in. Now we're going to try to connect it to some Wi-Fi and stuff, so got to download the app. Alright, got it up and running, connected to Wi-Fi, and everything's just kind of like the old setup. Difference is you can control it from your phone as well as down there, so pretty cool, and we're up and running.